He gonna have to hold on. I need this on my channel real quick.
Your shit hitting so high, it started.
Hell yeah.
I think that's why you had to turn down.
Yes.
Everybody I see with fiberglass, they never want to play it. That shit, that's what we get it for. Why you gonna have it and not do nothing with it?
And it's matching the car though. That's why it looked lovely. Man, I wouldn't get rid of this, man. But that's just me. I know you got some other shit put up.
I got 2 old schools.
That's what I'm saying. You say so it would be nothing just to go get something else.
Game like I killed a game with both of them. They both painted everything.
I mean, but this is just clean.
Got 79 Z28 Camaro and the same Monte Carlo that was in training there. Painted, clean.
Yeah.
Both.
You painted it too, didn't you?
Yes,
I know
right,
you
right.
did it. I know you. Oh.
My daddy painted that one. Yeah, my daddy painted that one. I want to throw some 24-inch Coleon fours on.
Damn.
What, them ones that I sent you today, I've never heard of that.
I seen them too.
Let me show y'all this trunk one more again.
But
It's
that's why I sent it to you,
nice.
because I've never heard of them. Never. Corleone is my favorite.
Yeah,
That's where me and a lot of people go wrong. Because before you sound all that Corleone is just.
Oh, you was finna play it one time? You finna give him a demo? Yeah, he said okay. Now let me shut it for you.
NC Ford. Oh, Jesse, I thought he was bringing the El Camino. Must be nuts.
Hey, I'm about to.
Where the hell go?
Good looking, bro. That shit nice.
But now I've got a record out. I'm doing shows, people paying to see me turn it out. Now I'm the spice around town. It's funny how an album could change a nigga's life around. I got friends and bitches on my dick, but when they look at Richard, all they see is push.
What's going on?
I've heard from a boat, and every different day it's a different fucking hope. And now that my pockets are getting bigger, meeting hoes.
I gotta get that bike.
They tell me that they love me